All right, what's going on, guys? Terry James, your mortgage guy, coming to you guys. Just wanted to drop something that I think a lot of us, a lot of people don't know. And one thing that is going on, of course, with the rates going up, that we need more income. There are different things out there. So today, what I wanted to talk about is one of the programs that can help us out and help you qualify is going to be the Fannie Mae Home Ready program. And what that is that, for example, if you have somebody, it offers some flexible income sources. So, for example, if you sit here and you are living with someone who is paying rent, so you guys are sharing spaces together and they're paying rent to you. Now, even though you may not be a landlord, but you're receiving, for instance, if they're transferring money to you, you guys are sharing the same spot. And let's say, you have what's called a border income, someone living with you that they're sending you money and you're paying the rent or whatever the case is. You can actually use that income or what they're sending you to actually qualify for a home loan if that person's to be coming with you. Now, we got to be creative and start looking at some situations. So, for example, let's say you're living with somebody, maybe a family member, a friend, whoever it is, and you want to try and buy something. So this person may not have the credit or the income to apply for a home loan. So you can't go on the loan together, right? But let's say you can. Now, to help you qualify, because it's just you, maybe now you can use the transfers or basically the income that they're sending you, this family member, let's say they're transferring money to you. So you guys share a spot and you're both paying rent, but they send the money to you. So you can actually apply for the loan, use your income, and you can actually use that income as well, which is going to be considered border income as long as you've shared spaces with that person for so long. There are some income limits, qualifications on that program, but I think it's time for us to get creative and start looking for different ways that we still can qualify and that you still can buy a home. All right. So, and then also with the Home Ready program, it also only requires 3%, and it's a conventional product. So, I know everyone or a lot of people are probably familiar with FHA, put 3.5% down. Well, you can actually go conventional with the Home Ready product and put 3% down. So that's pretty good, pretty amazing. And that's even less than FHA. And you're not going to get hit with the huge, PMI, which is you're still going to have PMI, of course, because you're putting down less than 20%. But it's not going to be as high as it is on the FHA. And also, because you're going conventional with this product, what that means is that once your loan to value gets above 80%, you can actually drop your PMI payment. Versus if you go FHA with, putting down 3.5%, that FHA, you have to refinance out of that in order to even get out of that PMI payment. So that's the difference there. But the Home Ready program is something that I think that we can look at and even start to, take a look at, because it may help you qualify, if you're sharing spaces with someone and they're paying you rent and they're sending the money to your account, you can actually use that as what's going to be considered border income to help you qualify for a home, and that person can come with you. All right. So there's unique ways that we can work this out. There's always going to be different things we can do. We just have to know about certain programs and be able to look into them and see what can be done. If you have any questions about them, give me a call, DM me, send me a text, whatever the case is, and we can go over it. All right. Until next time, take care.